Hi everybody, I hope you guys are staying healthy and finding some type of fun during this extended closure. I'm going to try to read you guys some books, and this is the first book I've selected. We'll see how this will work, because I have Thea trying to lay down for a nap, and she's kind of fighting that right now. So let's get started with this book, The Bad Seed. So I'm using Amazon right now. Amazon Kindle Unlimited. It's free for 30 days, so I figure this might be a good way to find some storybooks and some other books to read to you guys. Bad Seed by Jory John and illustrated by Pete Oswald. I'm the bad seed. A bad seed. Oh yeah, it's true. The other seeds, they look at me and they say, that seed is so bad. When they think I'm not listening, they mumble, there goes that bad seed. But I can hear them. I have a good hearing for a seed. How bad am I? You really want to know? Well, I never put things back where they belong. Left the shopping cart here. I'm late to everything. Well, what time is it right here? Let's see. The middle hand is pointing on the 9. And the minute hand's after the 4, so it's, what, about 9:20? I tell long jokes with no punchlines. I never wash my hands or my feet. I lie about pointless stuff. Look, I'm blaming this on a cat. I cut in line every time. Oh, that's not a good place to cut in line at, right before you use the restroom. I stare at everybody. I glare at everybody. I finish everybody's sentences. And I never listen. Library quiet, please. And I do lots of other bad things too. You know why? Because I'm a bad seed. A bad seed. I just can't help it. Sure, I wasn't always this bad. I was born a humble seed on a simple sunflower in an unremarkable field. I had a big family. Seeds everywhere. We found ways of having fun. We were close. Oh, like the seed right here with the maracas. I think one of you guys talked about maracas being in the bossa nova style music, and that's true. They do have maracas and interesting percussion. Look, there's a trumpet. Maybe they're playing bossa nova like the girl from Ipanema. But then the petals dropped. And our flower drooped. It's kind of a blur. Fresh sunflower seeds, delicious. I remember a bag. Uh-oh. You baseball boys and girls out there will know about sunflower seeds and their relationship with baseball. Everything went dark. And then a giant... Oh, look, baseball. I knew this seed. Baseball and sunflower seeds had some type of relationship. What team is that? Black and orange. I bet it's the Orioles. That's my favorite baseball team, which is pretends it's the Baltimore Orioles right here. I thought I was a goner. I thought I was done for. I screamed and I hollered. About to spit out at the last possible second. Uh-oh. Ugh. I flew through the air and I landed under the bleachers with a huge thud. When I woke up, it was dark outside. A water gum had softened my fall. I felt okay, but something had changed in me. I'd become a different seed entirely. I'd become a bad seed. Yuck. That's right. I stopped smiling. I kept to myself. I drifted. I was friend to nobody and bad to everybody. I was lost on purpose. I lived inside a soda can. I didn't care, and it suited me. Until recently, I've made a big decision. I've decided I don't want to be a bad seed anymore. I'm ready to be happy. It's hard to be good when you're so used to being bad, but I'm trying. I'm taking it one day at a time. Sure, I still forgot to listen, and I still show up late, and I still talk during movies, and I do all kinds of other bad stuff. That's funny. I really like the artwork on this. But I also say thank you, and I say please, and I smile, and I hold the doors for people. Not always, but sometimes. And even though I still feel bad sometimes, I also feel kind of good. It's sort of a mix. All I can do is keep trying, keep thinking, maybe I'm not such a bad seed after all. Hey, look, there goes that bad seed. Actually, he's not all that bad anymore. I heard that. That was fun. There's a bad seed. He's not so bad. I like the artwork on this. Well, that was The Bad Seed. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's show that again. The Bad Seed, written by Jory John. Illustrated by Pete Oswald. Let's see if that's an AR book. AR book find. Teacher. Let's see. The Bad Seed. It's a 2.0. It's worth half a point. So go out, take a test on it, read it, listen to this book again. I'll talk to you guys soon.